Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to find trending, or just the right music for your speed ramp edits. I'll walk you through my exact method step by step, because a lot of you have been asking about it. Let's get started. I usually find my music on Instagram or YouTube, and it's actually very simple. Let me first show you how I find music on YouTube. On your phone, open the YouTube app. Tap the plus icon as if you're about to upload a short. Select any random video, it doesn't matter, since we're not actually going to post it. On the next screen, tap Add Music. Here you'll see music that's currently trending or recommended by YouTube. Scroll through the list and find something that fits your editing style. Once you find a track you like, tap the favorite icon to save it. After that, simply close the app so you don't accidentally upload anything. Now switch to YouTube on your PC. Go to Playlists, and you'll find a playlist called Sounds from Shorts. Open it, and you'll see all the music you've saved from the app. The track we just favorited will appear there, along with any other songs you've saved before. Now let me show you the Instagram method. Just dropping a quick reminder that you can grab these 16 AM film shakes. I made them specifically so you don't have to waste time keyframing the same movement over and over. You can see how much more expensive the edit looks with them on. Links down there if you need it. On Instagram, there are two main ways to find music. The first option is using search. Go to the search tab and type something like funk for example, then switch to the audio tab. You'll see a list of tracks related to that keyword. Scroll through and find one you like. Once you find a good one, tap on it and hit the save button to add it to your saved audios. The second option is through Reels. Tap the Reels icon, then switch to the Friends tab at the top. This shows Reels your friends interact with, which is great because it often surfaces trending edits. Keep scrolling until you find a car edit or a speed ramp edit with a strong track. When you find one you like, tap the audio icon at the bottom of the reel, then hit the save icon to add it to your saved audios. After that, open Instagram on your PC. Go to your profile and access your saved section, then open your saved audio collection. There you'll find all the tracks you've saved. That's basically how I find most of the music I use. There are definitely other methods out there, but for me this is the fastest and easiest way to stay on top of trending sounds. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.